Hi guys. So I'm running a little bit late today. Tony didn't have my batteries charged for me and ready to go and everything like he normally does. So this is going to be a very quick intro. I am headed to Clear Creek Metro Park, and I am going to do a hike with the Girls Who Hike Ohio Facebook group. We're supposed to be doing in between like 7.5 to 8.5 miles. I'm not sure exactly what all trails we're going to do. I think they're going to combine several trails together. So we'll get back with you whenever we get there. All right. All right, so I'm guessing we're probably close to a mile in on our trip. The Fern Meadows trail is really pretty this time of year. It has tons of dogwood trees. Lots of good company today. I think there's like 10 or 11 girls here at the Girls Who Hike Ohio group. So we're gonna get on down the trail here and see what all we can get into. Okay, so back there at the meadow, we switched over to the Cemetery Ridge Trail. So the last couple shots that I've taken that have been water has been on that Cemetery Ridge Trail. It's absolutely beautiful out here today, look. All right, so we just stopped there and at the little shelter and had lunch and decided which way we're going now. So I think we're going to go back the same way that pretty much that we walked over here. We're about 4 miles into the trail. So it should be about another 4 miles out. We should end up with at least 8 miles. Been a really good day. I've met a lot of really good ladies along the way. A lot of interesting stories. So, all right, we're gonna get on the trail. That's right, and hope our packs don't get caught. Yay, you made it! Okay guys, so Ambassador Lisa Travis was supposed to do this hike, but Lisa had to stay home today because she's sick. And we hope you feel better soon, Lisa, because I was really looking forward to seeing you today. But in her place, we have another wonderful young lady who is our, I guess,
honorary ambassador today.
Honorary ambassador today.
Hi, I'm Rachel Anson.
And Rachel has offered to step up and lead our hike today since Lisa is sick, so that's wonderful. So why, what got you into hiking?
My parents.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I grew up in the Pacific Northwest, and when my mom was a kid, she lived in the mountains in Oregon. Her dad is a forest ranger. So,
I bet it's awesome out there to hike.
Oh my gosh, it's fantastic. I think one of the best memories that I have is when I was a teenager, we went back to visit, and my mom took us on a trail that my grandpa helped to build back in the day.
Great.
So that was pretty cool.
That's awesome. And to know that, you know, somebody from your family actually helped to make it is even better. You know what I mean?
Yep. He probably cut that giant tree in half so you could get through here.
Yeah. That is great. So, how does Ohio Trails measure up?
Actually, I have been pleasantly surprised. I keep finding more and more places like Clear Creek that I did not expect to be as hilly and as scenic as they are.
But out in Oregon, it's more of a gradual incline, isn't it? Not like...
It depends. The last time I was out there, I took my husband on a little road trip, and we hiked Three Finger Jack, which for the most part, it's a mountain. So you drive up the mountain to get to the trailhead. It was pretty flat, except for when it wasn't. You know, clambering up the side of the rocks and all that good stuff. But yeah, it depends on the trail, really.
So what's your favorite Ohio trail?
Oh gosh, I don't know that I have a favorite trail yet. This one's, well, not this exact trail, but the Hemlock Trail here is pretty gorgeous.
Awesome.
The one I hike the most is the Glendon Woods Metro Park Trail, just because it's by my house.
Okay.
It's easy to get to.
I haven't been there yet. I want to go.
Yeah. It's got a little bit of hills, nothing like this, but you do a couple loops, get in some good mileage.
So you're gonna maybe be a regular ambassador then?
Probably not. I cannot commit to that amount of work. I admire Lisa and everything she does because, yeah.
Well, I am very grateful that you offered to do it. Thank you.
Oh, no problem.
We're gonna get on down the trail.
Sorry, you guys go ahead.
get a portrait of that guy.
Okay, so we're about a mile from the end of our journey here, and I've been talking to Marcia, and Marcia is a volunteer for Columbus Metro Parks. Marcia, tell us about volunteering.
Well, it's probably the most mellow job you can ever have. I started in March, so I've only been doing it for 2 months. But I mostly work the Nature Center at
Awesome.
Blendon Woods. I also volunteer at Rocky Fork, and sometimes I'll help out with programs that they do for seniors, or the fitness hike on the weekends.
Oh,
Whatever
awesome.
they need.
So you were just telling me some interesting information on owls, and you are a world of wealth, a world of information. Tell us something about Ohio owls.
Probably the most common one you'll see out here is a barred owl. They are probably the most visible in the daytime. They'll sit out on branches, and they'll occasionally hunt in the daylight.
What do most owls eat?
Rodents,
Rodents?
sometimes snakes.
So they're carnivores.
Yeah. Yeah, they're not going to be eating grass.
Or berries. Do they eat berries?
Not that I know of, but I suppose if they're really hungry, they might go for whatever they can find, but it's usually rodents. So, mice, moles, rats.
How common are owls in Ohio now?
Oh, they're pretty common.
Are they?
Yeah.
What's the biggest one?
So, as far
Or
as
that
size
you know of.
go, the barred owl, if you want to find one in a tree, look for something that's dark and shaped like a football, about that size,
Oh,
close to the trunk, pretty high up, mostly in pines, and there's a good chance it's a barred owl.
oh, neat. I'm gonna have to look for one. I love owls, but I never see them out.
Well,
We have one close to our house because I can hear him, but I don't think I've ever seen him.
so the barred owl hoot is probably the most common. You've probably heard it and didn't realize that's what you were hearing.
Oh, neat. So, she's been with us, and we have learned so much during this trip. Because she has lots of information, doesn't she?
Yes, she does. And believe me, I am no expert. I'm just out here and I look, carry my Sibley bird book, and take a picture of things and look it up later.
Well,
Hopefully I get it right.
I've learned a lot. Thank you very much for joining us on the hike. It's been awesome having you. Now I got to get off here because I'm going to start breathing hard again.
Oh, well, thank you so much. It was wonderful hiking with you today.
Thank you. All right, guys, so we are back at the parking lot. We got approximately 8.5 miles. You see everybody's down there going to the potty, putting away packs. Now we're gonna go down here and get a picture, a group picture. It was a wonderful trip. Lots of good conversation. Got our heart beat up a little bit. Yeah, it's another great hike. See you in the next one.